In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove silence from your videos using CapCut. Open the CapCut app on your smartphone or PC by tapping on the icon. Once open, tap on Create Project to start a new editing project. Choose a video from your mobile phone's gallery that you want to edit. After selecting the video, tap on Add from the bottom right corner to import it into your project. Play the video to preview it and identify sections where you want to remove silence. Tap on Text from the bottom menu and then select Auto Caption. A new page will appear at the bottom of the screen to help identify pauses or silence in the voice. CapCut will automatically detect filter words and pauses. Scroll through the captions to locate the pauses you want to remove. To delete a pause, select it from the option or the caption list, and then tap Delete, and confirm by selecting Yes, Delete. Once you removed all desired pauses, tap Done in the top right corner of the menu. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.